Hi, my name is Susan Lilly and I work for WVU Extension Service in the Family Nutrition Program. And today I'm going to show you how to make peaches a la mode. You're going to need 6 peaches. You're going to need 1.5 cups of whatever type of topping you want, whether it's low-fat yogurt, I use vanilla, you could use peach, cottage cheese, whatever your desire. But you want to make sure they're low in fat or sugar, whichever ones you do, because this is a healthy recipe and we want to keep it healthy. You are also going to need 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now we have a peach here. I have already washed my hands, my surfaces, and my peach. I've already scrubbed it up pretty good. We're leaving the skin on it because we want that fiber from the peach. And I'm just going to cut my peach in half. And I'm going to twist it open and let's see. Nope, it's not going to pop out super easy. So I'm just going to help it out a little bit. There we go. I'll pop out the pit. I don't need that part. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice up my peach. Very simply, just slice it up. Again, leaving the peel on. I'm going to lay it in my little dish right here. I'm going to slice up the other half. Now, if you were making this for adults, this recipe would serve 6 adults. Each adult would get a whole peach, or if you were doing a child serving, they would receive half a peach. So you could feed 12 children with this recipe. All right, so I have placed my peach for an adult serving in my container. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add on top of that 4 tablespoons of my yogurt. Now, when we're using yogurt, our dairy foods can be very high in fat, and that's another reason we're wanting to use the reduced fat or fat-free if we can, because it's the calcium and the vitamin D and the protein that we're wanting from this, not all the fat. Okay, so I have 4 tablespoons of yogurt on my adult serving, and for my child serving, we will just use 2 tablespoons of our yogurt. And you don't have to, but if you would like to, the cinnamon is optional. So I'm not going to add like a whole lot. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit over the top of that, just to give it a little seasoning, mix in with that yogurt. And voila, we have peach a la mode. And this could make a great snack when kids come in from school or in the heat during the summer. And it would make a really nice, easy dessert for your family. It's a healthy dessert for your family. I hope you enjoy.